Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, we'll be going over Nowsite Marketing newest promotion, and it's a limited time promotion, so you don't want to miss out on this one. You want to jump on this, but we're going to dive right into this video. And as you can see, their newest promotion is it's just for Nowsite Marketing, but it's a major, big promotion that you do not want to miss out. But I'm going to tell you something that they just announced, and that's going to be an extension of this promotion. So not only, as you see right here, you'll get 50% off your first month, but here's the thing. You get the full platform 50% off. So the price for Nowsite, the lowest price for Nowsite Marketing is $87. Hell of a steal. Hell of a deal for online marketing, for all the features. You have to know about the unlimited websites, capture pages, landing pages that you can actually create, sales funnels, marketing funnels, non-stop of those, as many as you want. There is no limit. You get the what else? The email marketing. You get the unlimited social marketing content. So you get unlimited content that you can market on social media, whether it's for LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, the list goes on and on. They recently just about to start adding Instagram to it too. So tons of stuff. You get retargeting. Yeah, retargeting ads. Yes, the list goes on and on. I mean, if you are not familiar with what is all included, feel free to check out some of my other videos. This is a extensive features that comes with the marketing platform, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. So it's a huge big advantage that will help you with time and just optimize your marketing for online presence and your brand or your business. So as you can see, 50% off your first month. So the lowest price is $87. So half of $87, you get your first month. But they just announced that you'll be grandfathered in on this one, and this is a limited time. So if you don't get in on this, so like, yes, the 50% off, you get in at $87, you can get grandfathered in at what's half of 87? That's going to be 40. I think it's 43. 43. Put me at 87. Half 87 is 43. 43.50. So 43.50. You get that for until you don't pay anymore. But you get grandfathered in. So that's amazing, and you have to do this. You have to take advantage of this ASAP. But you just can't get it. You have to have a promo code. And nope, the promo code is not ask me. You have to ask me, Ryan DePaul. So if you need to contact me, feel free to drop your comment in below, or contact me on one of my social media platforms, or even my cell phone. Text me or call me. It's my direct line. It's in the description below. So $87, as low as $87. They have other packages. They have the $87 is the entrepreneur package. Then you have the small business package, that's $100 and something, and then you have the marketing agency, that's $327. So half of whatever those packages are. Up to you. Depends on what you need for your marketing purposes. And this is a very key, because they are about to drop SMS marketing included with this package. So you don't want to miss out on this one, guys. Some huge things are happening right now, and this is the time to jump on this to get the most bang for your buck, to be able to get grandfathered in at $43.50 a month at no contract. You can cancel at any time, and to get all this stuff that you get for marketing, to the marketing essentials for online presence. This is ridiculous and not unheard of. There is not a company out there that you can show me that is doing this. You show me this, I'll see you $100. The first person who shows me a company that's doing this besides Nowsite Marketing, that offers everything that they offer for this price, I'll send you $100 personally. The first person. That's how confident I am about this one right here. And here's the thing, guys. People need online a presence like no other right now, because a lot of the country's about to shut down again. So to be able to stay in business is key right now, and to build that online presence, this is going to be huge and beneficial. And to be able to save time and money, to get everything that you will get from paying the agency, guys, this is amazing, guys. Don't miss out on this deal. I'll tell you right now, you're going to be kicking yourself in the butt. You're going to be wishing that, oh man, hey, can I just get in late? No, because once this is over, it's over. It ends Monday, November 30th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you don't want to miss out on this one, guys. Seriously, you don't want to miss out. You don't want to be kicking yourself in the butt, because if I've already asked, I can't do it myself because I'm already in there. But I wish I could, because right now I'm on the small business one, so I'm paying $100. I would love to be paying half of that to be getting everything I have. So honestly, guys, this is huge. This is very huge, and I highly recommend that you jump on this one. Contact me if you have any questions or concerns. Feel free to contact me in the comments below, or call me or text me if you don't feel confident or confident enough to call me. Text me, and I'll reply back to you. I have no problem answering any questions you guys have. I'll help you through this process. I'll help you walk you through the steps and get you going. And I guarantee, guys, on top of that, you're not just getting the Nowsite for that great price. You're getting everything that comes with Team Elite, my team. You're getting all the free software, all the free graphic designs, all the free everything, weekly trainings. It's ridiculous. That's just some of the stuff. The subscription to Nowsite alone, to be able to get all this training and software that you get for the Team Elite, guys, it's unheard of. We just literally gave away a Facebook engagement tool for free to whoever was on our last training. We opened it up to visitors, and we said, hey, guests and everything like that, come on, check it out. We gave it away to people. So like, you didn't even have to be on the team, and we gave free software away for Facebook engagement. That's automated. So I'm just want to tell you guys, you want to be a part of this, because it's so much more than just this marketing platform. It's the tools, the education, more tools to be able to have in your tool belt to be able to level yourself up, level your business up to the next step, to the next playing field, and do what you need to do. So guys, honestly, you don't want to miss out on this one. I cannot stress enough. Contact me ASAP. And like I said, if you try to go and get this deal without the promo code, and like I said, it's not asking me, you have to ask me for it to get it. So you contact me up, and I'll get it to you, and we get you going. I'll get you the correct links. I'll get you the correct promo code, so we can get you that great deal locked in and grandfathered in. And hey, we can do this and make it rock. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this. If you have any, like I said, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop them below in the comments, or hit me up on my cell phone. And until the next one, guys, I hope you take advantage of this. I can't stress this enough. I hope you take advantage of this. And until the next video, take care. Oh, by the way, last thing. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel, do me a favor. Hit that big red button below, the big red button, subscribe button, and right next to it, hit that little bell. Because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a video saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video, and you liked his last one. You may want to check out this one. So with that, guys, until the next video, take care, be safe, and be blessed.